Hi children, good morning everyone. So this is the class 4 children science subject. So we have completed the lesson number 4. Now we are going to complete the textual exercises. Terrestrial animals breathe through how? Air holes, gills or lungs? Obviously lungs, not scales. Scales the reptiles, okay, gills the aquatic animals, air holes the insects. Okay, it is a term used when an animal sleeps for several months to protect itself from the cold. What is that? That is hibernation. Please tick this children. Respiration, extinction or digestion. Okay, this is the correct answer. Please tick this children. Carnivorous animals have well developed what? Biting teeth, tearing teeth, chewing teeth or grinding teeth. Yes, that is to tear the flesh. Obviously, that is tearing teeth. Please tick that children. This is on the page number 168. Open the page number 169 and here you can do. This adaptations helps animals to protect themselves. Big nose, slow movement, small eye or camouflage. That is camouflage. Okay. Camouflage. Okay. This one is the correct answer. Write T for true or F for false. A snake crawl on its legs. No, false. It doesn't have any legs. Animals live both in water and on land are called as amphibians. Yes, that is true. Please write down children. First one is false, next one is true. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called aquatic. Sorry, these children, they are called as arboreal animals. Okay, false. Please write down children. False. A giraffe is an omnivore. No, that is not omnivore. That is herbivore. So please write down false children. Animals that live on or inside the body of other animals are called parasites. Obviously children, they are called as parasites. Yes children, now this one. Complete the table. Movement. What are the movement? Okay, in terrestrial animals, in aquatic animals, in amphibians, in aerial animals and arboreal animals. What will be the breathing organs? What are the examples for those? So this we have learnt in this chapter. Okay children. So now we have to I just turn the mobile here and please write down. Movement for terrestrial animals, legs to move on land. Aquatic animals, fins or limbs. Please write down children, fins or limbs. Amphibians, limbs, L-I-M-B-S, limbs. Aerial animals, wings, because they have wings. That is the reason we have to write wings. Arboreal animals, claws and broad hip girdles. So what they have children? They have claws and they have broad hip girdles. Okay. Breathing organs. The terrestrial animals have breathing animals. What children? Lungs, because they can breathe with their help of lungs. In aquatic animals, gills. In amphibians, moist skin to breathe in water and lungs to breathe on land. Aerial animals, that is lungs obviously. And arboreal animals also lungs. So only except aquatic animals and amphibians, remaining all the animals, they have lungs to breathe. Okay. Next one, examples. You can write your own examples, because on terrestrial animals, like animals live on the land, they can be anything, right? Dog, cat, giraffe, zebra, anything, right? You can write any of them. So I have written horse and giraffe. Okay. Aquatic animals also you can write any of them. Those who are living in the water, seahorse, octopus, crab, so many are there. Okay. So I have written fish and turtle. Amphibians, not more than so many are not there. So just you can write frog, toad or salamander. So you can write frog and toad. Spelling of frog and spelling of toad. Okay. Aerial animals, they are obviously birds. You can write any of the birds which can fly. Please don't write flightless birds. Please don't write that. Okay. Crow, swallow, pigeon, peacock, parrot, swallow, anything you can write children. Okay. Even swallow is a bird. Okay. Monkey and squirrel are arboreal animals. Like monkeys, squirrels, pandas, opossum. Okay, these are all the arboreal animals. Please write down, children. Or else you just take a screenshot and you can write, children. Yes, and you can pause the video and you can write. Okay. Yes. Now we will discuss the question and answers. What is adaptation? How do animals living in cold region to keep themselves warm? What are arboreal animals? Why do most herbals strong and strongless? This one I will conduct the oral test on Zoom class. Please do this, children. Okay. Answer these questions. A frog is an amphibian. How does it adapt to live on land and in water? How do aerial animals have light bodies? What are the different ways which animals protect themselves? How do animals like fish, elephant and leaf insect protect themselves? This is the think and answer that we will do. Okay, children? Now, do and learn. Field trip. Plan a class field trip. Visit a zoo, a wild sanctuary or a national park. Now, divide the class into 4 groups. Each group will make a chart on different types of animals. For examples, arboreal animals, aerial, aquatic and terrestrial. So, you can do at your home also. Try to draw the arboreal animals, try to draw the aerial animals, try to draw the aquatic animals and try to draw the terrestrial animals. Project Giant Panda Club. Giant pandas live in bamboo forest high in mountains. To find out more about this animal, you can visit this link, children. Check whether it's working or not and just message me. Okay. Make a project on the giant panda. Find out about the efforts being made to save from extinction. So, this is the panda, children, and panda when they are born they are very small, and panda is the national animal of China. Okay. Turn the page. Okay, it has been this has been completed, children. So, the lesson has been completed. This is page number 169 and try to do the all textual exercises. We have completed all the textual exercises, everything, and we will learn the we will go for the next lesson also. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Take care, children. Bye.